An asset is something that can generate you income. Right? So your own house, you need to accept that it's a liability. Maintenance, insurance, okay, improvements. Unless that house you're building to sell or you're building to rent it, is a liability.
Is a house really a liability? You've probably heard this one before. A house is not an asset, it's a liability. Let's pause for a moment. Think about it. Is that always true? Or is that just half the story? I was listening to a podcast recently by Dr. Kingori. In this podcast, Dr. Kingori was interviewing Mr. Peter Ndwati, a very successful entrepreneur, and I have to admit that. Peter Ndwati built not one, not two, but 3 homes for himself. He built a home in Karen, he built a home in Mountain View, and all these are high-end estates in Nairobi. And yet, on that podcast, he said something that really got into me. He said, a house is a liability. Why? Because, according to him, mortgage payments are higher than rent. Because you are moving from paying the landlord to now paying the bank for the mortgage. And not only that, because you have to still pay insurance on the mortgage, you have to do maintenance on the house, and you still have to make improvements on the house. And the only benefit, he says, is price appreciation. And even on this price appreciation, he downplays it like it's nothing. But here's my take. And I want you to think carefully about this. Yes, there is a lot of truth in what he's saying. A mortgage is expensive. I don't disagree. A house won't send you M-Pesa every month. But here's the danger. When wealthy people reach the top, they start giving advice that is different from what got them there. They buy homes, they build equity, they take risks. And once they do this, they turn around and tell others to rent forever. You know what that one does? It keeps you stuck. If you want what they have, then you need to walk the path they walked. Yes, you can walk differently, but at least walk the path they did. Buy the home if you can. Take a mortgage if you can. Live below your means if you must. But make sure you are building ownership. Build equity. Yes, your home may not be the traditional income generating asset, but it gives you security. It shields you from rent increases. Also, it lets you dream bigger and build more. Because if you're looking to build, you will really start having a good saving culture. That is the value that building or buying a house does. So, before you dismiss a home as a liability, ask yourself, what path did these people take to get where they are? And maybe you should walk that path too. Start your journey today. Head over to property254.co.ke and search looking for your next property there, because we have properties that have been listed by the best agents in Kenya. And if you're a property seller, make sure you are listing on Property254 as well. This way, you are building ownership, building roots, building your life.